Today I want to show you how to make your own hydrophobic egg. Check this out. So all you need for this lab is just an egg, a glass of water, a lighter, a candle, and a pair of tongs to hold your egg. So what you're going to do is light your candle and hold the egg over the flame. Through deposition, some of the evaporated paraffin will form on the egg, and that soot is highly hydrophobic, which means it repels water. It's the opposite of hydrophilic, which attracts water. So as your egg begins to turn black with that soot, it's going to become super hydrophobic and it will repel water. So keep rotating your egg over the flame until it starts to turn black. And once your egg is covered in soot, then you're ready to hold it with your tongs and you're going to lower it in the glass of water. And something amazing will happen. It will seem like there's an air bubble that forms around the egg, almost as though it's a silver egg. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's as though the water can't touch the egg because of that soot that's super hydrophobic, that's repelling the water. Just an amazing demonstration that's easy to do that you can try at home. Give it a shot. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.